the pharaohs would be buried with honey in their tomb, and honey is a very sacred tool that people understood in ancient times. You can actually predict the future using honey. So honey carries the blueprint of like our history in it in the honey. Within honey is wisdom. And so they could tap in and receive this information because it's written into the honey. And people are being asked to work with honey again in that way to understand that there is coded information in, like, raw honey that you would find, in your area, something that hasn't been tampered with, but bees and these, you know, put it into the honey, and it's there for anyone to work with it. Same with many leaves. Leaves contain ancient information that someone could tune into, so these live foods people can ingest with the understanding that it contains a lot of information if they work with it in that way. But, um, in a lot of the pharaohs understood the connection to these other realms, the ones that still had access to this ancient information. Some pharaohs also were like a result of the survivors from Atlantis, which they were trying to preserve that particular genetic bloodline because they still had the ability to tune into certain things in a different way. And they were um, connected to certain extraterrestrial races that had done a lot of hybridizations programs before the end days of Atlantis.